cup of cold coffee. Yum, yum, yum. No. Right. I'm going to do something slightly different today with me lips. No crude jokes in the comments, please. Okay, so got my typical aqua colour from Kryolan 081. So it's a sort of a bricky red. So we're going to do lip line. The difference today, you've probably seen how I do lipstick, big highlighter, glitter, the whole thing, but we're just going to go for a really glossy red. That's Ilamasqua. Pretty sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. So hit the lip line. Got a bit of spit involved. Okay, no dirty comments. Okay, that's the lower lip line done. Let's move on to the top. Okay, so got the difficult part of the lip line out of the way. So Ilamasqua, glossy red. Now we're doing the fun part. So I tend to do my lips in sort of quadrants. So, you know, quarter, 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 quarter. As on previous videos, I've put a lot of foundation over my lips. That way you've got a base for the lip, whatever lipstick you're going to use to stick to. If you just do it to your own natural lips, you just find it thins out way too much. If I haven't said it millions, I am available for makeup lessons, so come see me. haven't done this look for quite some time, but the change is good. Right, so as you can see, the yellow mascara gloss red matches up to the brick red lip line quite well. I mean, you can, you know, variations, you can do whatever, it's whatever you want to do. That's what makeup's all about. So as you can see, looking super cute. And off I go out again. Love getting dressed up. See you soon.